Hi, it's John Verdeau with the Holly McCray Home Marketer Group and Renovate Knoxville. I'm here in Fountain City today at 3615 Essery Drive. This house is newly remodeled, just hit the market, one level, lots of great features. I'm going to take you inside so you can have a look. Okay, so the house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's about 1,900 square feet. And like I said, almost everything's new in this house. Landscaping's been done, fresh mulch, exterior paint, brand new. Let's go take a look inside. All right, first thing you notice is that fireplace. It's gorgeous. Gas already installed with the equipment ready to go. Beautiful. The other thing you'll notice when you walk in, these floors, the hardwood. That's refinished hardwood floors, folks. They're gorgeous. And the smell, I love it. I don't know if you've ever smelled floors after they've been refinished, but it's a great smell. Fresh paint, tasteful color, nice and neutral. Allows you to decorate this house any way you want. Dining area leads off to the gorgeous updated kitchen. Now, kitchen's got a really cool apron slash farm sink. The nice stained butcher block countertops. Tile backsplash. Brand new appliances. And probably the best part of the kitchen is these custom cabinets that were made by a local cabinet maker specifically for this kitchen. They're pretty great. So, great use of space here. Nice and open. Like I said, plenty of room for an island here. Might be hard on the video to show you, but let me swing around to show you the kitchen. Like I said, you got plenty of room to add an island for extra workspace if you need it in the kitchen. And it leads right out to the living room here. Okay, so let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So here are the three bedrooms. It is sort of a split bedroom plan. You've got the 3 bedrooms over here. Here's your primary bathroom for these bedrooms. In here, all redone. You got the large vanity, plenty of space to put your stuff. Nice shower, ready to go. Like I said, fixtures are new. New tile in here too. Okay. I don't know if you noticed when I came through, but we got the shiplap walls in the hallway, which are gorgeous. Here's your bedroom. Closet space, bedroom 1. This could be your master bedroom, but I have a little surprise for you. But this is large enough to be a master in here. Again, good space. There's your closet right there. Already have the organizers put in. So you're ready to go in this place. There's not anything you need to do if you move in, it's ready. Obviously, we've got ceiling fans in all the rooms too. Anyway, here's your 3rd bedroom in the corner. Very bright throughout here, plenty of natural light. Updated thermostat, good for energy efficiency. So let me show you the separate room on the other side. Again, we got the shiplap on the wall here. So this is what I would consider the master bedroom, but could also easily be a home office, which for a lot of people these days is important. Bonus room 2. But extra space, not something you see normally in a house like this, but this thing is huge. This room is enormous. So what's nice about it is you've already got your walk-in closet here. Don't have the light on, but you can see it's got some decent space. So you got a walk-in closet. Could be storage, could be a traditional walk-in closet with all your clothes and everything like that, but it's there. You also have a full bathroom. So this is a formal suite. That's real tacky with the toilet paper, but you get the idea. It's completely redone. That beautiful mirror. And my favorite part is this beautiful tile walk-in shower that's tall. So I'm tall, and this thing is above my head, way above my head. So for almost all the entire population, this shower is plenty big enough. Good use of space. Again, this is a great room. You've got your own access to the back. Extra closet space in the hallway too. I forgot to mention that earlier. And then I'll just show you quickly the backyard. Flat with a fenced area right here. It's perfect for dogs. If you wanted to have them, again, you got your neighbors with a nice patio area. You can set up large enough for a table. You can even put a pergola out here if you wanted to. But it's got a bit nice flat area. So you have some decent outdoor living space here with the fence, and that's perfect for pets, like I said. Okay, so to recap, we're at 3615 Essery Drive. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, about 1,900 square feet. It's in Fountain City, completely remodeled, move-in ready. Just needs somebody to love it and take care of it and make it their own. So if you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, send us a text. All the information will either be above or below this video in wherever social media platform you're looking at it from, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for checking it out with me.